Good morning, students. Let's begin our today's session with Geography. Unit 13, India's Location, Geological Structure and Physiography. India holds a unique position among the countries of the world. Its reasons are: number 1, India enjoys maximum voters in the world, that it has largest democracy and its culture is one of the oldest in the comparison of other country. The coordinating attitude of our culture has not removed any religion, race or people, but has accepted them as one wholeheartedly. Thus, impartially towards all religion, people, race, these are the characteristics of India. That is why India has become a cultural merger. Even though many natural and man-made disasters have taken place, then also India has consequently continued her progress. Geographical conditions have contributed hugely towards the development and progress of our Indian culture. Now let's discuss about location, size and area of India. Geographically, India lies in the northern hemisphere. It extends up to the southern part of Asian continent. The span of the mainland of India extends from 8 degree 4 to 37 degree 6 north latitude and from 68 degree 7 to 97 degree 25 east longitudes. The Tropic of Cancer, which is located at 23 degree 5 north latitude and divides the country into two parts, passes through the middle of India. Its northern part is spread more in the east-west direction. The Great Plains and the Himalayan mountain systems are located in this part. The area to the south of Tropic of Cancer has a triangular shape and tapers towards the south. This is basically a part of Peninsular Plateau. It includes the eastern coastal plains and the narrow western coastal plains. The latitudinal as well as longitudinal extents of India are almost equal, which is about 30 degree. The length between Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3,240 km and its width from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh is 2,933 km. There is a difference of 2 hours in a local time between the two extreme places, starting from Gujarat in west up to Arunachal Pradesh in east, due to the longitudinal difference. Its example that when there is 12 noon in Dwarka, then at the same time in Assam the time will be 1:45 p.m. When it is sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh, it is still night time in Gujarat. The standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 east longitude and it passes through 5 states. Its local time is accepted as the standard time of India. Now let's discuss about total area. So total area of India is 32.8 lakh square kilometer and it's important for MCQ. India ranks 7th in the world in terms of the area. Other 6 countries which are larger than India are: number 1 Russia, number 2 Canada, number 3 USA, 4th China, 5th Brazil and 6th Australia. The land area of India lies in South Asia. In northern side, lofty mountain ranges which are spread hundreds of kilometers from west to its east direction, and that is why The commuting means the communication with Tibet and China is possible only through passes located at the high altitude. Now, passes means ghats. Let's take example of ghats that we can say Ghat of Saputara, Ghat of Mount Abu. Okay, and high altitude means with a great height. Bay of Bengal lies to the east means on left hand side. Arabian Sea to west means on right hand side, and Indian Ocean to the south of peninsular India, or we can say South India. The sea is utilized means used as a waterway, even though the land routes are obstructed means difficulty are to be faced by surrounding mountains. When one will choose the land route, at that time they may face difficulty because of mountains. India has accepted all cultural elements. Here, what do you mean by cultural elements? It means different tribes. They are arriving from outside and they have merged into Indian society. Which tribes were there? Example, Aryans, Dravidians, Negroids, and many more tribes came to India with the help of different routes. We can say different waterways or land routes, and they became the member of our India, or we can say citizen of our India. Let's discuss about strategic location of India. India holds a strategic location in Eastern Hemisphere, and it has a strategic importance also. Means India holds important location in Eastern Hemisphere and it has a great importance also. India is in the Eastern Hemisphere. Oceans have supported greatly in developing mutual relation means interrelation since ancient time. India has a trade relation with East Africa, West Asia, South Asia and Southeast Asia since ancient time. India has developed cultural as well as commercial relations with them due to her location. No country in the Indian Ocean has long maritime means coastal region boundary as India has. Due to this strategic location, the ocean is named as Indian Ocean, and no other country enjoys this coastal line as India enjoys. Location of India across the international waterways is also important. With the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, the distance between India and Europe has reduced by about 7,000 kilometers. Now let us see what is difference between by 7,000 kilometer and to 7,000 kilometer. Okay, let's take example that the distance between India and Europe is total 10,000 kilometer. So here the statement is given by about 7,000 kilometer. That means only 3,000 kilometer is remain after opening Suez Canal. But if the statement is like that, 2 means 7,000 kilometer, to 7,000 kilometer. So that means only 3,000 kilometer has reduced. Okay, clear? Sea routes connecting East and Southeast Asia and Australia to Africa and Europe passes through the Indian Ocean. The Circum-African waterways, it is name of waterways, and Suez Canal waterway pass by India. Canada and US can be reached through the same waterway via Strait of Malacca and the Pacific Ocean. India has contacts with many countries since many centuries. Goods and ideas. Ideas means in the form of technology, being exchanged since ancient time. Similarly, concept of Upanishads, story of Ramayana and Panchtantra, therapeutic method, Indian numerical figures and decimal system, etc. could reach many parts of the world. India has an important location in South Asia too. There are 29 states, a national capital territory Delhi, and 6 union territories in India. Telangana, okay, you can see in yellow box. Okay, so Telangana was created as 29th state from its mother state Andhra Pradesh on 2nd June 2014. I hope my today's session was helpful to you. In our next session, we will begin from neighbors of India. For today, that's it. Thank you.